So, hello and welcome to this 10v10 game. Playing the. Alright, we have a guy here. Nice. Playing the Rugener in this one. I have no supply helicopters, so I can just put the fob here. This seems to be like destruction or something, or not. Not sure. Yeah, it's a conquest apparently. Let's get this thing. Take this, but there is a CV, so yeah, let's not. Let's get the KSK Special Forces. All of them ready. Armed with AK-74U, 2 light machine guns, or like light sports weapons, whatever. An RPG and satchel charge, 7-man squads, shock Special Forces airborne. Cracked, really. What can I say? Unload them here, then we'll be pushing this way. Got these. Back here, there is a guy going here, so you know, and it's a Polish airborne. Nice. And also got this, right? 2 of these coffin launchers. And then this for this one for the back line supply, and then this one for the frontline supply, right? If that makes sense. I could also get like, let's get this. So here and here, and then let's get the SPG-9 with the 30 mil grenade launcher in this position, yeah. And then SVD infantry, I mean, or like these guys, yeah. Let's get these, couple of these, and then we are gonna be using. Well, that's a shit RPG, really. Everyone has a shit RPG, or except these guys, yeah. So these guys, 3 squads. And let's go do a bit of forest fighting. Man, we'll see. This seems rather empty, because there is this thing. We'll see. I'm gonna invest into 4 of these later on and buff them with 2 command units. That's the plan for the AA coverage, right? And let's group the coffin launchers. Where are the coffin launchers? It's number 1, right? Because this is gonna be number 2. So I'm hoping this Polish guy goes this way, and then I can fight here. And if I manage to fight all the way towards this point, then this guy's gonna have a much easier time, right? We're at +5, nice. Except he's not going there, he's going through the forest. So does he like expect me to go this way? Not really, I mean he's doing some helicopter stuff here, and then AA helicopters are gonna open up on this thing. Alright. I can get this eventually. Let's not. Let's save points for now. Just unload. That's a Gazelle, which is gonna be the UK one. Alright. Sell this. We need the points for the crew. Alright, these 2 Iglos can actually get here and here, right? Provide some AA support for the guy. And just need to unload. What are you doing? Alright, whatever. So these 2 can actually go here. That's that. That's that. These are... Remember this? Someone wants to hit it with RT. What's this guy playing? Oh man, it's the reserve one. Fuck, dude, that's gonna be rough. Yeah. 35th bunch of trash stuff, but still bunch of, right? Yeah, let's take this. And then this, where is it? This thing. So we can provide some nice fire support. For this guy, this is gonna die if it keeps pushing, yeah. Oh, he's trying to hide it, alright, makes sense. SPWs, I mean, yeah, spread them nicely. Here, I'm gonna take this side, because, like, he's fighting here. And then I can just go this way. These much shit done. Well, this infantry really needs to go this way. Coffin launchers are needed here. Or rather, will be needed soon. So +3. Where's my cool blue helicopter? SAS patrol. Man, you need to run. Run, dude. Oh, he's pushing into the forest with these tanks. That's not really intelligent. I gotta stay. Now we run back. Because they're gonna hit that with artillery because there are so many special forces there, right? +7 though for the NATO. Not sure how that happened. But anyways. So this guy can actually stay. Helicopters needed here. Brother, what are you doing? What is this? What is this push? What do you mean? Why would you push into them? Wow, man. That was weird. Let's get this. So like 2 of them here. And then a command tank. It's a bit more spread. Yours is that, I mean, fine, whatever. I mean, you can't just say mid is lost and then like be, yeah, fight for it, you know. I'm gonna get the artillery, really. Try to provide some more support for this guy. That's that anyways, really, no point. Target everything, really, and then we go this way. Also, like, does this artillery have any smoke? That's a big question. I need smoke to push in here, right? If we manage to push in here, then we take off some pressure from the guys in the middle. Alright, let's reload these Strellas, I guess. My helis are safe. Nice to see. I mean, this is that. But he did kill one squad of engineers and a transport vehicle with the 50 cal, so there's that, really, right? And then I'm gonna need these up front. These need to be ready to dislodge enemy resistance. This needs to unload. I mean, I'm not sure what this guy's doing, honestly. But +6, I mean, someone is capping. Someone is capping. Right, good stuff. Good to see. And I have a shit ton of these RT pieces, apparently. Wow. So 3 here, and then I can have 3 more. Good stuff. Challenger Mark III, by the way. Oh, hello, sir, and goodbye. Or not. That RPG is rather trash. still. You can try. This is empty there. No, that RPG isn't trash. We just retreat them all, resupply the RPGs and dodge the inevitable artillery that's gonna fall here now. And get the supply truck here, I guess. Maybe like a couple Meridas this side and like what is this? What the plan with these tanks really? Do I have any Metis launcher? I don't. Well, rough. So the cluster is getting this, but luckily he's paying attention. So we can try to hit these positions with artillery now. I'm just gonna unload them here nicely. Make this guy fall in the middle of one, right? Or this is gonna be the middle of one. These two can lift off really. What do you mean? What the fuck is that cluster though? How did he know? It might have been that this guy was firing from there. Yeah, like that. Yeah, that must not happen again. Really. Stop. Into these nice ambush positions. Stop here. Make an ambush here, right on this road. These are what 130 mils. I mean, not ideal really, but what can you do? Right. Do we have smoke? We do have smoke. Nice. Alright, return fire. I can do something funny here and delete all these infantry squads eventually. Then get 2 more coffin launchers and then get like another crook here. Or here. What's the range? The range is really terrible, but I mean, it is to be expected. Can we kill the chieftain? We can. Alright. That's good, that's good. So delete this. Oh, they are moving, which is good. NATO is at post 2 still. But we will manage, I could get another supply tank here, really, to help these guys resupply and stuff, you know. This is aimed. So, goodbye, good sir. It was nice watching your stuff there. Now we need to send that guy back to the fob. Get another one for replacement. Get 2 actually. This guy is actually trying something. These guys don't have smoke. Big stab, really. So, next target is gonna be this thing. Then you move again. Strela is dying somewhere, not sure where that's happening. Oh man. Hello, good sir. Brother, you have a hole here, right? So that's actually... No! Don't fire. It actually escaped. I've got this, delete this. No point in return fire, right? Just like how I have to fucking micromanage my artillery. This is not resupplied there, which is a problem. So that died. Alright, good stuff, good stuff. Hopefully that was not the Krug, that was the Krug in fact. Oh man. Run then, run. These are all dead. These are paras, by the way, so I mean that's great. So these haven't unloaded. I mean, whatever now. Too late to unload them at this point. That was fucking rough. These are gonna die probably. He just survived everything here. Well, I should really retreat these guys, resupply them, retreat these, get the coffin launchers to hit these positions, really. Just hit this fucking thing. Here, I guess. Oh man, that's fucking dead now. Wow. That's rough. This is what it is. That's another one. I mean, only one died for now, at least. Alignment impossible. What? So second one died. Alright. Got two more then. Alright, goodbye. I lost some stuff, he lost some stuff. We do be like that, right? Where's my supply tank? I need this one. Where is it? So yeah, these two can get here and then here. This is that. Stocks. I don't have any seed, sadly. This is all empty, by the way. And these are resupplied. Alright, get here. Where's the rest of the coffin launchers? So all the coffin launchers are resupplied. That's good. We need this guy to resupply this. And like these are just eating each round into the face apparently. Do I have any more special forces? Not really. I do get these pioneers. So I guess two here. One anti-tank and then one. So recon tank. But my crooks are empty. Oh, that's actually a huge hit. Wow. Wasn't expecting that.
Warten auf neue Befehle, Kommandant. Bringen Sie uns dorthin, Genosse.
So there's the para-leader, let's remember this. I can actually just delete the para-leader using these coffin launchers, and then not get more coffin. The game just froze? The game just fucking froze? Alright. We're good, we didn't crash after all, so... That's something, right? And you can hit this. Oh, no, shit. Jesus Christ. Alright, Steve is doing a good job. Alright, that's gone. If you can shoot this thing down, that would be huge. I could use these two, right? Alright, goodbye, good sir, goodbye. Let's just save the crooks now, really, from artillery fire that's inevitably gonna arrive here. I need to smoke this. And just smoke this. The Meridas are still alive, alright, that's good. And to try pushing in with these infantry units. But that's a bit rough, right? These are reloaded. Alright, so 2 more squads for me to kill. Thank you very much. Warrior, interesting. Now I have to retrieve this stuff. Interesting. Well, what got more infantry then? More of these guys too. These are being resupplied, so that's something. Oh, shame, man. Shame. Didn't unload. Happens. Yes, can you run? Nice, another double kill I too. On that infantry. Another warrior. Lol. If that managed to hit, it would be the coolest thing ever, but you know, can't have everything, right? Can't complain. Oh man. More coffin launchers, I guess. So all four are here, right? So we can just clap this entire tree line with them. That was retarded. I forgot to put them on return fire. Jesus fucking Christ. There it is. The inevitable cluster. Now watch it accidentally kill this one. I wouldn't actually be surprised at all. Oh man, hello. And then we load it. And then you move. On return fire. Coffin launchers are just needed here to dislodge this stuff. We can kill the mortars and then get these bombers, right? Is there anything cheaper? Not really. Let's get one, and then one is gonna hit this. Or these are just platforms. Oh man, hello. Nice. Awesome stuff. So he surrendered. There it is. Now, after we move this, well, everyone's gonna miss, sadly. Alright, fine. And that's also gonna miss. Sad, but it is what it is, right? So, coffin launchers. 1, 2, 3, and then tank is gonna die anyway, so no point, right? Explosive stuff. Alright. Where's my RT? So, smoke, and then we smoke some more. Where's the next guy? Alright. And then I need this guy to actually rush in here. Since I haven't purchased this thing, right? Because I'm dumb. And then we hit here, and I guess here. Bomb this, I assume. The RT pieces. Where's the... I mean, these guys could just rush in here. That's that. Awesome stuff. Especially the Meridas too, and then these guys can just rush in, unload in these positions. This is all empty, sadly. What are these guys? Insane, man. Who's the Lua guy? Oh, nice. I mean, have we at least killed anything? Hopefully we did. I'm gonna lose the aircraft, right?
Abgesessene Kampfheit. Angriffsformation. Sammeln. Am Ende kommt es immer auf den Infanteristen und sein Gewehr
Just chill in this building, really.
Verstanden?
Hey,
Unterwegs.
aircraft,
Ende.
coming in.
Abgesessene Kampfheit.
Will die. Should die, right? Where's my helicopters? Alright, so I need this thing. These things, right?
Wir sind bereit, die
Rush in. That's a fucking challenger, alright. Fair enough. Watch me get clustered now again with this artillery. But I'm too lazy to micro them now. Oh, I can't really micro them, sorry. It's a skill issue. I'm just coping. Oh, Merida should be able to. I mean, not this Charlie, right? This Charlie will mess up the Merida, honestly. This guy behind this. Truck Rapier is a good kill always. We can manage to get these guys this way. That's gonna be super cool, right? So Merida is killing some high value stuff in the back. I mean, don't bomb this one, right? Or whatever, just die. Whatever. Well, look at my Meridas, actually mess them up. Interesting development, honestly. These warriors... What are you doing there? I haven't told you to go there, right? Also, like, these group... Rough. But he missed. He missed. He missed. Alright, alright. Yeah, he missed. Fuck, dude. We're alive. We're alive. Alright, this is that, so I mean, whatever. Infantry can push in there, now we can fight on this side of the building, right? Meridas are still fucking messing them up. Wow. Oh, these guys can also pass here, and then get these two also on this side, right? Just keep messing them up, really, on this side. Get these, send this back, yeah, there's so much stuff I need to do right now. Kill it! Don't let them resupply, right? The 130 mil artillery is eating artillery. Rough. That's what happens when you have a skill issue. Like I do. Man, are we gonna fucking load in today? What are you doing? What exactly is... Wow, man. Oh, I'm gonna lose the Merida because my artillery is retarded at the moment. Here, have this. This is gonna die if I'm not careful, but... Also, land, nice RPG. So this is like a cover, right? We can just snipe them. They can't see us now. Yeah. No. Wow, man. That wasn't nice. That wasn't nice. These crooks needed here. And we need this. Send this here. Ural can honestly just go back. Get a full resupply and then... I mean, yeah, they're dead. There's no point. Maybe this guy can live, but we'll see. I just get here, honestly. Still, let's get this guy in here, and then we can move this thing to buff the things, right? These things. And then get this guy to the fob. Yeah, these logistics are just fucking killing me. Now, next objective is this thing. How are we gonna get this? I guess do this, then do this, and then this,
Unterwegs so schnell es geht.
and then we start shelling
Sind
this
unterwegs.
until the end of the game.
Враг в поле зрения.
Basically, that's the plan. Also, like these infantry units can all go this way.
Infanterie
Same
bereit.
with these guys. I would like to conquer things and 30 mil send us PGs on this side, and also like one shilka wouldn't hurt.
Słucham, panie
And
kapitanie.
this guy can support. Now, Gazelle is gonna scout me. That guy is still playing, right? Yeah, he is. Dragon Scout, whatever. I mean, it's not whatever, there's this thing coming in which is gonna kill me. Game just froze again. Game just fucking froze. I need to resupply the Meridius. This guy has supply for that. Alright.
Ruhe, herhören.
And then maybe get another Meridia, right?
Aufklärer bereit.
Kill it.
An alle Einheiten.
Don't let them see, right?
Neuer Spähauftrag.
No, it's that.
Verluste.
Luftverteidigung für Stellungswechsel.
But coffin launchers have arrived. So, well, that was a weird voice line, obviously. What the fuck was that?
Wollen wir irgendwo einsickern?
But
Anker. Wrogie Maszyny na horyzoncie.
oh, high explosive is going for this. Oh man, no. Now everyone can just miss, even though they're buffed.
Ich habe hier das Kommando.
Works for me. I mean, yeah, there we go. It died in the end. So can't complain. Can't complain. Complaining is prohibited now. Get here, get here, right? KSK, another KSK lost. This is what it is, right? This is what it is.
Ausrücken.
Get to this position, stay on return fire. You need to really go here.
Vollgas voraus.
Well, these guys can rotate back this way. Oh man, they are coming for my coffin launchers, by the way. Let's not have that happen.
Przygotowany do akcji.
Return fire, please.
Wrag w pole zrenia.
Shit.
Wrogie maszyny na horyzoncie.
Jederzeit gefeckt zu sein.
So all of the coffin launchers are still alive, kicking. That's good, that's good, that's good. No RPGs on this guy, sadly. Run. This guy can die, honestly. I don't care.
Wollen wir irgendwo einsickern?
Or not. Go back. No need to die, no need to die.
Abmarsch.
Alright, all is good.
Punktabzug. Kommen.
Let's get here now.
Warning.
But they saw the coffin launchers now, which is a problem.
Motor läuft.
Now they know. Now they know, right?
Komm doch, Stand. Der kann mir
This guy, this position, this guy here. So defensive stuff is arriving. That's good.
Nachschub ist schon unterwegs. Unsere Fahrer
Troops are resupplied, so no point for this. Oh, like, why would you be arting here? What? Is that a fucking? Was that a fucking 80 gem from this position? What? That's scary. That's scary. That's scary. Yeah, that is a fucking 80 gem, dude. What do you mean? No.
Flugabwehrraketenkomplex bereit.
Erlegt die Befehlsstelle.
Shit, that's a tank, that's a tank. Alright. We need Mochkitsen to start pushing here immediately. This is gonna start dying now. Something died, I'm not sure what.
Einheiten sind hier am Rhein.
You come here, you can go pushing, right? And then, like, oh man, nice micro there. Nice attention span, right?
Bereit für Sturm und Einbruch.
So high explosive tornado. Right. We need to deal with this, whatever's here.
Neuen Einsatzauf.
Ausrücken.
So that's a Milan too that survived apparently.
Gotovina śmierci chwały.
Now I stunned the Merida without the smoke to fight the Challenger Mark III.
Gotovina śmierci chwały.
You could say that I'm retarded, which would be true, probably, right?
Sollen wir irgendwo einsickern?
No, he's dead, even though he did so much in the past. Like, insufficient to show them.
Wsteczny, powoli. Zamknąć włazy na stanowiska bojowe.
He's just refusing to die, really. Can I?
Dostaliśmy przeciwpancernym!
Yeah, let's just save him with the smoke.
Dowódca plutonu na stanowisku. Słucha.
But now this one is gonna rip. Yeah.
Ma pan dla nas rozkazy? Jednego mniej.
Ah, sad. I mean, Mark 3 is. Or you can just miss whatever.
Dostaliśmy przeciwpancernym!
Not like I wanted you to hit or something.
Wir können Luftverteidigung.
Wollen Sie das
Well, plus 12, though. Well, so this mistake can make sense. Need to unload all this stuff. In the meantime, get them here and here. So that's a mortar which we can potentially kill using these. 82 sniper. Eat the coffin launcher, I guess. These guys have RPG. Oh man, like, that's not RPG, really. Rather don't give them RPG than give them that, right?
Warning.
So Meritas are dying here, but who cares? 37 seconds until the end, and there we go, the magical thing worked again. The gambling thing, what should I say? Kill them, delete them. They lose the KSK, I didn't.
Geben Sie uns Koordinaten zum
That's that now. But so is the M82 probably. I mean, plus 7, then 20 seconds till the end. Doesn't make much difference. Still this. These guys need resupply.
Unterwegs nicht gesehen zu werden. Rückwärts, Mark. Aufklärer bereit.
And what I need here is more,
Zum Schützenrudel aufgehen, auf meine Höhe. Впереди противник.
also that died. Alright. But anyways, like, 10 seconds till the end. What can I say? Interesting game, interesting game. I haven't helped anyone here, really. Which makes me bad teammate, probably, but you know... Whatever. Forgive me, please. Nice Rugener game, after all. I mean, look at this guy. Absolute Chad. Killed the Challenger Mark III, killed the Ito thing, which is supposed to counter him, and then killed the Warrior with the Milan. And then the recon tank. I mean, shit recon tank, but still a tank. Nice, man. And then look at this guy. Jesus Christ. Anyways. Yeah. Anyways. GG's, and well played, everyone.